Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam not enough free disk space error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration panel where you can manage various aspects of your client. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Storage. This section is where Steam manages all your game installation drives and their available space. Now, if you happen to have another drive available on your computer, this next step is really effective because some games temporarily require extra space while patching. Click the drop-down menu and select Add Drive. This opens up options for adding additional storage locations for your Steam library. Next, click the drop-down menu to select your preferred local drive. Once you've chosen the drive you want to add, click Add. This will register the new drive as an available storage location for Steam, giving your games more room to breathe during updates and installations. However, if you don't have extra storage available, click the drop-down menu again and select the local drive that's experiencing the not enough free disk space error. Once you've selected it, click the three dotted lines, and from the options that appear, click Repair Library. This initiates a repair process that can fix corrupted or misconfigured library files that might be causing the storage issue. Now, in the left panel, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads and updates. Here you'll find Clear Download Cache right beside it, so go ahead and click Clear Cache. A confirmation prompt will appear, so click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files that might be taking up unnecessary space or causing installation conflicts. If the error still persists, head to the upper left corner and click Library. In the left panel, right-click on the game that's experiencing the not enough free disk space error, then select Properties from the context menu. This opens up the specific settings for that particular game. In the left sidebar of the Properties window, click Installed Files. This section contains various file management options for the game. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks all the game's files for corruption or missing data and automatically repairs any issues it finds. Give it a moment to complete the verification process. If the problem still doesn't resolve, you should move your game files to another drive. This is especially helpful if your primary drive is running low on space. In the left panel, right-click on the game you want to move to another hard drive. Then select Properties. In the left panel, click Installed Files once more. Now click Move Install Folder. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select the local drive you added earlier if you followed the first step. Select your preferred drive, then click Move. Steam will now transfer all the game files to the new location, which should resolve the disk space error. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the Steam not enough free disk space error by either adding more storage, repairing your library, or moving your game files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.